It's raining if you haven't noticed. Aaron loves the rain.
I have to walk to my mom. I have to walk to the bus stop today. Are you videotaping me?
Yeah.
Raining. I have to walk to the place. Are your princess driving?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Here it is. Oh no. Do it. Run! Go! My umbrella is so sexy. My beaches!
Get away! We just totally need like a bunch of people with umbrellas. It's alright.
Just like get a bunch of umbrellas and make a little dome.
Let's do it! Oh, umbrella needed. We need more umbrellas.
I can.
Umbrella round.
Yeah.
Fuck, you're stuck in the bus.
Alright, we gotta go.
No, Erin's getting wet. Erin doesn't care. She's gonna rough and kick Corey.
Sorry, poster board.
Sorry.
I love you. Makeup.
It's shit! Don't look at it! I forgot eyeliner again!
Yes, Ray.
Hold my backpack. I'm gonna be late. If I'm late, my mom's gonna be pissed. Hi! You're too happy for this kind of weather.
What? I thought you said I loved her.
Hey, we're gonna start a new video. We need to start a new video because